Oh, hi, Jayashree.
How are you?
Good.
Long time, yeah. Where have you been?
I was here only.
Got a new phone?
Yeah.
Can I see?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Nice. What is this chip about?
तुम्हें इस चिप के बारे में नहीं पता?
No.
It's a very amazing product. मुझे मेरे
Really?
फ्रेंड ने रिकमेंड किया.
Hi, I'm Pranav.
Hi, Jayashree.
Nice to see you.
Same here. What is this chip about, Pranav?
So this is an EnviroChip. EnviroChip is a radiation protection chip which you can fix on your mobile phone, laptops, iPads and Wi-Fi routers.
Okay, but what are radiations?
So radiation is the wave coming out of this device and any other electronic device. Waves which are coming out of these devices are harming the human body. So we call that radiation.
Okay, so even phone has a radiation.
Phone has a lot of radiation because you have it with you 24/7. Even when you sleep, you keep it next to your bedside. So these waves are always coming out and they are always impacting your health negatively.
Okay, and what if I don't use this chip?
So this helps in basically improving the immunity.
Okay.
If you fix EnviroChip on your device, it will help in building up your immunity. Your stress levels will be lower because radiation causes headaches, it causes dizziness, nausea, very harmful for pregnant women. For children, it is very harmful. It reduces the sperm count in men. So if you use the EnviroChip, you will be protected.
Wow, that's amazing. But this should be really expensive then.
No, not at all. It is only for 600 rupees.
Just 600?
Yeah.
Wow.
You would be having a cover on your phone, right?
Yes.
So that would be more than 600 rupees.
Definitely.
So cover is protecting your phone, but EnviroChip is protecting you, your health, your loved ones. So definitely everybody should go out, buy an EnviroChip. We all have multiple devices, we all have mobile phones and laptops. We all spend on covers, screen guards, dining out, buying expensive gifts, but we don't realize that by spending 600 rupees, we can protect ourselves and the life of our near and dear ones. So definitely go out today, buy an EnviroChip, stay protected.
And where do I get this from?
So you can buy this from any Modi Care outlet.
Okay, so I'm going to buy this for sure today.
Absolutely, you should go and definitely do that.
Great.
Hello everyone, I'm Pranav. I represent a company called Synergy Environics. I'm here today to tell you about a very unique and amazing product called EnviroChip. But before I get into the product details, benefits and features, let me talk to you a bit about the issue of radiation. Now radiation as a subject, some of you would have heard of, some of you would not have heard of. But let me tell you what is the problem on health due to radiation. Now radiation is known to cause various health problems. World Health Organization has classified radiation from mobile phones as cancerous, and they have made it in the same risk category as what cigarettes are. Now we all know that cigarettes are very injurious to health, but 20 years back that wasn't the case. Doctors used to advertise on TV saying that smoke Marlboro cigarettes, smoke Camel cigarettes. But today everybody, even a child knows that smoking cigarettes is harmful. So mobile radiations is at the same stage today what cigarettes were 20 years back. World Health Organization has done a lot of research and they have found that with continuous exposure to radiation, you are having problems of headaches, dizziness, nausea. Pregnant women have a lot of risk. In the case of men, it is known to lower the sperm count and affect the reproductive ability. Very harmful for children, and brain tumor and cancer in very extreme cases. Coming to children, today every parent gives their mobile phone, their iPads to their children to play games on, not knowing how harmful it can be. Please be aware that doing this is causing a lot of harm and a lot of stress on your child's brain and child's development. A child's brain absorbs radiation more than 5 times than an adult. So we all may have started using the mobile phone after the age of 18 or when we were adults. But today you're giving a cell phone or an iPad to a 6-month-old baby. There is no data available which says that, okay, what will happen to that child after 15 years or 20 years. It took us 150 years to prove that smoking is injurious to health. Do we want to wait for another 150 years to prove that mobile usage is harmful? Answer is no, right? So there has been already credible testing, research by medical institutions, by scientific institutions all across the world, which is saying that limit your exposure to mobile radiation, use it only when necessary. Now coming to everybody is having a mobile phone. So there are 7.4 billion people in the world, but there are 8 billion mobile handsets. What does this tell us? that more than one person, one person has more than one mobile phone. In India, there are 1.25 billion people and 1 billion handsets in use. So almost out of 10 people, 9 people have mobile phones. Now, does anybody read a mobile manual? The answer is no. 99.9% people don't read a mobile manual. What is written there? So there are 4 things which are written in every mobile phone, whether it is Apple or it's Samsung or it's Micromax or it's Lava. There are 4 key things written in every mobile manual. 1. Recommended talk time in a mobile phone should not exceed 6 minutes in an hour. Now, can we do that? If your boss calls you, can you tell your boss, 6 minutes are over, please call me after 1 hour? No, right? So mobile technology has various advantages. We can't stop using mobile phones, but use it safely. It's written in the manual. The second thing which is written is text more than you talk. Talk only when absolutely necessary. The third thing which is written there is always keep the mobile device away from your body. Some mobile manuals write 5 millimeters, some mobile manuals write 25 millimeters. That depends on the phone model. But can you actually do that? In the case of men, you have to carry it in your pockets. You have to use it on your ears. You have to hold it in your hand. But what does the mobile manual say? It should not touch your body. Is it practically possible? Answer is no. The fourth thing it says is that if you have to talk, always talk using a wired headset. Now, whether it's a 2,000 rupee phone or it's a 50,000 rupee phone, every phone comes with a earphone. Make a note of that. Every single phone comes with earphone. And the manual says use it with that. Now the question is that if we can't do these things, if we can't limit our talk time to 6 minutes in an hour, if we always have to keep it in contact with the body, what is the solution? That is where our technology, our product comes into the picture, which is EnviroChip. EnviroChip is a patented technology. It is a technology which neutralizes the harmful effect of radiation coming out of mobile phones, laptops, tablets and Wi-Fi routers. It is a stick-on device. You can take it off from the packaging, just fix it on the back of your mobile phone, back of your laptop, back of your tablet, and you are completely safe. EnviroChip has been tested medically and scientifically in institutions in India and abroad. Max Healthcare is our testing partner, where we have proven that just by sticking EnviroChip on your mobile phone, your stress levels reduces by 5%, which is medically very, very significant. Your immunity becomes better. Your resistance to diseases becomes better. It has also been tested in labs in UK and in US, which proves that fixing the EnviroChip on your device will not reduce any signal strength. So it is a complete win-win situation. We all have to talk for long hours. We all have to use Facebook and other mediums, WhatsApp on our mobile phone. The answer is use EnviroChip, stay protected. You will not have any health issues by fixing EnviroChip on your devices. So it is an absolute necessity to have EnviroChip on your devices. A lot of media has covered it. On the testing part, everything is available on the net. One can look into it, read all the test reports. EnviroChip is CE certified, which is an international mark of quality. It's being exported internationally all over the world. And so please use EnviroChip on your devices. Now, a lot of people have questions sometimes. What is the EnviroChip? What is it made up of? So let me take you through a couple of FAQs, or frequently asked questions, which any consumer will ask. What is the kind of testing done on the EnviroChip? So as I said, Max Healthcare has done testing on it. We have tested on more than 500 people that by fixing the EnviroChip on your device and having it stuck on your device for over 2 weeks, your pulse rate comes down by 5%. Now, how is pulse rate important? Higher pulse means you are more stressed, your immunity is weak, and you are more susceptible to diseases. So EnviroChip has been tested on more than 500 people in collaboration with Max Healthcare to prove that your stress level reduces. Another question is, what is inside the EnviroChip? What is it inside that does the job? So EnviroChip is a patented technology, but it has a combination of natural materials which neutralize the harmful effect of radiation. There are certain materials in the world which can do that, which has been done, research has been done internationally for more than 50 years. Another question that somebody asks is that, what is the life of an EnviroChip? If I fix it on my mobile today and I change my phone after 2 years, can I take off the EnviroChip and put it on the new device? The answer is yes, absolutely. EnviroChip is a one-time investment. Buy it once, stay protected for your lifetime. So, hey guys, the issue is that radiation is there all around us. It's going to stay there. Levels of radiation have increased by more than 100 times in the last 15 years. There's no stopping it. We have to increase the usage of mobile technology. Kids today in school have to use iPads, they have to use mobile phones to do their homework, submit their assignments. So EnviroChip is a small investment. It is only 600 rupees for a mobile phone. Stick it onto your device, stay protected, buy it for your near and dear ones, help them stay protected. And as a consultant, as a Modicare consultant, this is one product you have to sell to your customers. You may sell anything in life, but Modicare EnviroChip is a product which every household has to have. On an average, a household has at least 4 members, and all those 4 members would have between themselves 6 to 8 devices. This is a great product that you can sell in every single household. The investment is very low and the benefits are huge. So get EnviroChip, sell it to every household and make a lot of money. Thank you.